Hello everyone. Today I want to share one Revit family with you. This is escalator family. At first, we can collect the escalator shop drawing from the supplier. Like this elevation and other plan and part detail shop drawing. Then we can, based on this shop drawing, create the escalator family. Now we finish the escalator family and we got the size like this one, the upper landing lines and the lower landing lines, and the important is escalator riser. So all the size we put the parameter. Later we can change this size, which one we want. So now let us test the family is working or not. First one, we test the escalator riser. The default riser I create by the 4 meter. Now we change to the 8 meter. Okay, we can see the escalator riser height is changed to the 8 meter. All the steps and the height and the length is all the change based on the parameter. Then this one is working perfect. We change back. Now we can try to test the upper landing length, because sometimes the upper landing length is different than the lower landing length. The length also depends on different project. We can try to the six length. Okay, we can see this upper landing, the length is changed to longer. And now we test the lower landings. Lower landings we change to the 5 meters. We can try this one. Okay, all the key parameter size we set already and is working as well. So now we can change back to the default one. So in this escalator family, I put the two types. One type for the aluminum blaster, and another type, escalator type, is the glass blaster. Now this type is the aluminum blaster type. We can change to the other type. Testing is working or not. Okay, this one is glass blaster. We also can test one riser height. We change to the 8 meter. Okay, this one is perfect, still is working. So sometimes the steps, the clearance is 1 meter plus or some different. Now we put the default clear step clearance is 1 meter. Sometimes it's different than the other size. So we also can try this step, the clearance can change or not. We change to the 2 meter. It's big different. We can see the clear. Okay, this one is also working. We change to smaller, 900. Okay, schedule is working. Okay, that's good. So now we make the one escalator family with the pyramid. I think this one is very useful for our project. At the concept design, we can faster put the escalator into our project for information. Because sometimes have so many escalator, we cannot create one by one. All the escalator cannot be the same size, same height, same width. So we use this one, the pyramid escalator family. It can very faster change to the different size, depends on project. You also can see this yellow color. This yellow color depends on previously the working drawing for the installation gaps. We also prepare this one in lower peak the size for the structure design. Okay, now we finish the escalator family. We can log into the project. Also can try it can fit in the project or not. Now we log into one museum project. This one is a museum project. So we load the escalator. We put the first story. You can see we use the two types. One type is aluminum blaster escalator. One type and other type is the glass blaster escalator. And level 2. And we also can check in the 3D view. Okay. You see, this blaster, the escalator rather is 4.8 meter. In our family, default size is 5 meter. So now it match to the project, the level as well. We also can try to change one. We change to the 6 meter rather high. Okay, this one is also working. So now our this project, the level height is 4.8. So we need match the project level. So we need to change back the escalator rather high. We need to change to the 4.8 meter, match to our project floor level. So match as well. We also can see this one is structure design is Shenggen based on the escalator, the lower peak requirement. You can see yellow one. Yellow one is for installation the gaps, and the upper peak. We now create the structure for upper peak. So when we input this escalator model in our project, after that we can send to this model to the structure and request structure prepare the structure design for the escalator up peak. Okay, now we fit the escalator into the project. We need to prepare some of the rendering drawing for our presentation. We can use to the camera from this angle. Okay, we got the escalator view drawing. Later we can do some of the rendering for this drawing. Okay, come on. Okay, when we got this view escalator view. This one, the view is we want. So after that, we can use this drawing to the improve for the rendering. Now we try to the rendering this view. We can see this we make the simple rendering for this escalator. All the material inside already. Okay. Now this is perfect for the concept design and for presentation to custom. Now some people say, oh, this is rendering is so many people can finish. Okay, we can improve this rendering drawing and we can make the animation for the escalator. We put some animation for the step, move up and move down. Okay, after we finish animation video, we can see it's better than before. This one, we use this one percent to the client is better. So today, I want to see if we create one useful escalator family for our project. Concept design is very useful and very faster. Oh, it looks very nice. This is my escalator family. I think it is big useful for architecture design and coordinate with the structural engineer. What do you think? Don't be shy. Let me know. See you next time.
谢谢观看，如果感兴趣的话，欢迎关注哦，后续还有更多的更新呢，拜拜。